what moves. So we've got our template. So what we need to do is make sure that this piece of pipe bends around there. No, from basically it pivots from that point there. It pivots from there, mate. Okay, so hold that. I'll hold it in place. I'll hold it. Bend it around, mate. Bend it around. Bend it around. Fire. Let's have a look. What are we doing? A little bit more, mate. A little bit more. That'll do it, I reckon. Yeah, because you can now see what we've got. It lines up here. It touches the edge of the former. Touches the edge of the former. We now match the angle of our ruler is our pipe. Okay? No, not enough, mate. You can see. If you look, okay, what's perfect? If you look at Masson for a second, if you look at this one here, you can see the angle of the pipe matches the angle of the ruler, whereas yours, you're not quite up yet. So bend it around a bit more. Now offer it up again. No, that's it. That's it. This doesn't move. That is, you need to line it up with that. And you can see now they both match the angles of your rulers. Yes, we've got our first bend. So we can put our